Good morning, students of class 9. You're welcome back to the e-classes now. Let us continue our lesson in English. So this is a revision work. This English, a truly beautiful mind. This is a revision work. We have done all the lessons practically. Now here is some revision questions. You do at home or you can learn at home if you want. So for your easy reference, I have written four questions over here. Now here, number one, why did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office and why? So now why did he call his desk drawer? What did he call his desk drawer while he was working in the patent office? And why did he call that? Now here is the answer. He called his desk drawer at the patent office the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. He was doing some research work. He was actually developing his own ideas in secret. So he kept his ideas in secret. He used to do research work while he was working in the office. And his drawer had all the evidences means proof, which could reveal means expose the secret. So that's why he kept it secret, so that nobody could see it. So number two, why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? He was the president of America. Why did he write a letter to the Franklin Roosevelt? Now here, with the emergence of Nazi power in Germany, while the Nazis were in power in Germany, they became very powerful. Einstein emigrated to the United States. First, Einstein immigrated. He went to America. And later on, other scientists also left Germany because they were afraid. So Einstein emigrated to the United States. He went to America. It was the truth that the Nazis had the ability to develop the atomic bombs. So they were very powerful and they were trying to develop atomic bombs. And it could destroy the whole world. So Einstein knew that the atomic bomb is very, very dangerous. It will destroy in mass number. So it could, the weapon of mass destruction, you can say that. It could destroy the world. So he warned the president, Franklin D. Roosevelt, in his letter. That's why he wrote the letter to the president. Now number three, why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? Why he is remembered as a world citizen? You see, because he was much concerned about these bombs and about the arms race. So the world remembers Einstein as a world citizen because he believed in universal peace, because he believed that there should be peace in the world, not war. His invention or this scientific invention is not for the destruction. It should benefit the human beings. So that's why he believed in universal peace. When there was the rat race for the atomic power, rat race, it's a saying, it's a phrase. Rat race means there was a kind of competition among the countries to gain atomic power. So when he was worried about the rat race, about the atomic power, for making atomic power. So he was worried about the result. There is two dots. So he was worried about the result, the destruction it will cause. So he was worried about the result of the bomb. He knew that one such bomb could destroy a big area, so completely. He was really a world citizen. That's why he is called world citizen, who was much concerned. He was very much concerned about the human beings and their life. So that's why he is remembered as a world citizen. Now, what was Einstein's theory of relativity? So, according to his theory of relativity, time and distance are not absolute. They are not absolute. They might change. In fact, he provided some explanation. In fact, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey. after a journey, after traveling a great distance, if one of them is traveling more faster, if one of them had been moving very fast relative to another, so the clock will not show the same time. That was, he explained in this way the theory of relativity. And he had given a scientific temper to the world about nuclear energy and so many other things. He had invented a lot of things, discovered a lot of things, and actually he invented these scientific uh, theories for the benefit of the human beings, but human beings, they have used it for the destruction of their own humanity or human life. So it is being misused, and Einstein did not want that. So you can see that there are 4 questions. If you want, you can copy it out. This is for your easy reference. It's everything is mentioned in the book. So only thing you need to go to the book, go through the book. So that's all. So now you can, if you want, you can copy this out, take the screenshot, and you can copy it out if you want. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for your watching.